Thank you for tuning into the Equity Channel, where we provide the highest quality stock market analysis to individual investors. Today, we're going to be talking about a new development in healthcare that just made a single company the first to market and a potential big winner. Full disclosure, I picked up a few shares of this company near $33 per share as the news came out. The stock has not moved much from that price, so the opportunity still exists. Before we get started, be sure that you subscribe and turn on your notifications, because every time we drop a new episode, money is made. The healthcare sector has been a topic of discussion at Division I Finance. As the market moves higher, there seems to be a thirst for high-risk, high-beta names, leaving defensive sectors to those who need to add a little balance to their portfolio or those who want to position themselves against potential downside risks in the market. I already own a decent basket of healthcare names, but I've definitely been on the hunt for some other additions. Today, I think I found one that could lead to some generous returns, trading at a discount to fair value of earnings 5 years out. The name of the company is Perrigo, the ticker symbol is PRGO, and the FDA has just approved them to be the first company to ever sell over-the-counter birth control to the masses. Of course, FDA approval on a drug is not enough for me to make any purchasing decisions, so I did some digging into the company's financials. What I found was a company that was healthy enough to take the risk. Earnings are projected to grow by 10% per year over the next 5 years. They have a gross margin of 33.6% and a current ratio of 2.5%, which means the company is well capitalized and more than capable of handling their current liabilities. The one markdown in their valuation was the fact that the company has not been profitable over the past 5 years. However, they have managed to generate more cash than they are sending out and remain free cash flow positive over the past 10 years. I think this development could be something that gets them over the hill in terms of profitability, as they are first to market and already well established. The birth control drug Opill has been available via prescription in the United States since 1973. Overall, the company scored a 70% on their ECI index valuation, and I see a minimum 16.8% upside from the current price. My high target for the stock, however, is $48.42 for an upside potential of over 45%. The average analyst on Wall Street seems to agree with the combined valuation on the street of $49.50. We're dealing with a $4.5 billion company trading below book value. I see this becoming a $10 billion company within the next 5 years for a quick double up of my cash, and I would expect nothing less. A wise man once said, "Those who are absent are always wrong." I choose to be present for this one. I want to see where it goes. I'm hoping this episode helps to bring you wealth and prosperity. Be sure that you subscribe and turn on your notifications, because every time we drop a new episode, money is made.